Hello and welcome to my first of many DIY videos here on my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a mirror out of clothespins. Yes, you heard me, clothespins. Here's what you need to get started. You are going to need a round mirror from the Dollar Tree as well as a wreath. You're going to need glue, hot glue, 3 bags of clothespins, and I got those from the 99-cent only store. You're also going to need some mirror effect Rustoleum spray paint, and I got that from Amazon. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is to put clothespins all the way around our mirror. You may use hot glue to secure this. If you choose to do so, please ensure that there is space in between the clothespins because we are going to need the space later on for additional clothespins to go in between. So once you put it all the way around the mirror, you're going to put it on the first ring of the wire wreath. That's the inner ring. Once you have it on there, you are now going to put clothespins in between on the first ring. So you're going to clip them in between the clothespins there on the first ring, going all the way around the wreath. So keep going until you're completed, and then once you're done with that, you're going to flip it on over. And this is where we're going to do some securing with some hot glue. You may choose to use epoxy, you may choose to use Gorilla Glue, epoxy like E6000 or even Gorilla Glue, but hot glue works perfectly fine here to just hold it down. So go ahead and add it to that. Once you're done, you flip it back over, and we are going to add yet another layer of clothespins. This time we're going to go from layers 3 to 2. We're going to add hot glue to the clothespins. So we're working outwards, so that's layer 3, then layer 2. So add the hot glue, clip it onto it, and again, like everything we've been doing, we are going to continue this process. Come back here, come back. We're going to continue this process all the way around our mirror. So keep gluing, put it on, and then we go all the way around. So once we're done with that, we also have another layer that we're going to attend to. But first off, let me just show you how you add the glue. You just keep the mouth open of the clothespin, and then once you get to your second and third layer, then you close it down on it and let it dry. So here's the last one I'm going to show you again. You put the glue right here at the mouth of it, keep it open, bring it in, then you close it down. So you can leave it here at this point, but we do have that fourth layer that we want to address. And also, if your wire wreath breaks like mine did, don't worry about it, we can work around it. So we're going to give the fourth layer some love, but we're going to make it a little bit different this time. We're still going around it, but it's going to be a little bit different. So the first thing we're going to do is to elevate our mirror. Once we have our mirror elevated, we are now going to pair up our clothespins. We're going to put them around in between again, as we've been doing, but then we're going to take them 2 by 2 and we're going to just marry them. And here's what I mean. Once you put one on, the other one adjacent to it, you take one adjacent to it, and at the very tip you're going to squeeze them together to form a V. So with the one that they're surrounding, you know, they're going to form a nice little nuclear family right there. So put another one on, and then you're going to squeeze the tip together. Now at this junction, what you are going to do, you're going to add hot glue just as we did to the previous layer, and then you add it to the tip, and then you squeeze it together and add the tip. So I'm going to show you how we do that. So I'm adding hot glue here. Here I'm coming in with it nice and open, put it there, and then we're going to do another one with hot glue, put it on, put the tip together, and then squeeze it together and hot glue. So once we're done, we're going to spray paint with our mirror effect. Now this is fine as it is, but I wanted to add a little bit of bling to it, so I decided to get the diamond wraps, and at the first indentation on the mirror I'm going to put a single row of diamond wrap in there, going all the way around to form a nice little circle. So, and then after that, we are gonna get a double strand layer cut to the length of a clothespin, and I'm gonna add it to the second layer of clothespins. So there it is, just double strand to the length of a clothespin, then I glue it on to each second layer all the way around. And then lastly, at the very tip, my little married couples down there, the tip of it, I wanted to add a little bit of bling. I was trying to decide between a cube of diamond, a little cut out of 4 diamond wrap, or a single strip, so I went with a 4. Then I put it all the way at the tip, all the way around, and that's it. Easy as adding clothespins to a wire wreath. There we have it, a nice inexpensive mirror, most of the items from the Dollar Tree, and here it is on the wall. I do have a lot more videos coming up for you, DIY stuff that I want to teach you how to make, so I want you to subscribe so you don't miss out. Also like and share, because I want your friends to be a part of this as well, and I want to thank you.